Hidden Globe introduces Catatumbo Lightning, the astonishing weather phenomenon over Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela that lights the horizon for hours without rain. Ancient lore says spirits born of storms paint the clouds, while fishermen claim the glow guides them home. Scientists estimate up to 260 stormy displays each year, producing dazzling, almost continuous forked lightning that changes color with the wind. Yet the exact trigger remains debated: warm air from the lake meeting moist rainforest air, or undersea methane clues. Today, researchers map its patterns to protect air traffic and preserve a spectacle that still outshines any legend.